Welcome back to Dark Psychology. I'm Amelia, and today I want you to imagine this. You walk into a room, you're not the loudest, you're not the richest, you're not even trying to stand out, yet eyes find you. She notices something most men don't even realize that they're giving off. Now, here's the harsh truth. Attraction isn't always about chiseled abs, designer suits, or fancy cars. It's about subtle signals, the kind that trigger deep primal instincts in women. These are psychological cues that most men overlook, but women sense instantly. And today, I'm going to reveal the 12 things women notice about men the moment they walk in, things that can spark an emotional connection before you even say a word. But here's the twist. Some of these signs are so subtle, even you might not notice them about yourself. So stay with me to the very end because the last few signs are absolute game changers you don't want to miss. But first, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, like this video if you're serious about leveling up, and tap the bell so you never miss new insights on psychology, attraction, and influence. Let's dive in. 1. Your face. Women notice your face almost immediately. Now, this doesn't mean you need the face of a Hollywood actor, and buff presentation matters. A well-groomed face communicates volumes, clean shaven, neatly trimmed facial hair, cared for skin, and even groomed eyebrows. These details signal self-respect, and self-respect is sexy. Studies from behavioral psychology show that facial grooming triggers subconscious aesthetic cues in women. Why? Because it tells them, this man takes care of himself. He's stable. He's disciplined. A man who looks after his face, silently broadcasting, I respect myself, I'm in control, and trust me, that's irresistible. Bonus tip: invest in a skincare routine. You'd be surprised how much radiance, clarity, and confidence your skin can give you and others notice. 2. Your ability to hold a conversation. Here is thing, looks may get her attention, but a good conversation is what holds it. Women are deeply responsive to emotional connection, and nothing creates that better than conversation. But this isn't about talking for the sake of noise. It's about genuine interest, listening without interrupting, asking meaningful questions, being witty with arrogance, and communicating with intention. When you speak with emotional intent, a man with great conversation also reflects your mental sharpness, your ability to weave in humor, tell a story, or mock a horror feels seen and heard. That's where real seduction begins. Tip: practice being present. Don't rehearse what to say next. Feel the moment and respond with authenticity. 3. Your smile. Don't underestimate the power of a genuine smile. It's one of the first things women notice, and one of the most powerful tools of silent attraction. Why? Because a smile reflects inner peace, self-assurance, and a purachability. Women subconsciously associate a natural relaxed smile with emotional safety. And in the world of psychology, emotional safety trust. A man who can smile comfortably, not forced, not creepy, but genuinely, is showing that he's comfortable with himself. According to studies in social behavior, smiling activates mirror neurons in the other person, meaning your smile can literally influence her emotions. A well-timed smile during a conversation, it can instantly disarm tension, invite warmth, and build an emotional bridge. Tip: want to smile better? Work on your inner. When you feel good about yourself, it naturally shows on your. 4. Your style and grooming. Let's be honest, your style speaks before you do. Before a single word leaves your lips, your clothes, posture, and grooming already made a first impression. Women notice when a man puts thought into how he presents himself. And no, we're not talking about designer brands or flashy accessories. What truly matters is intentionality. Do your clothes fit well? Do they complement your body type? Do they reflect your personality without trying too hard? A well-dressed man signals self-awareness, confidence, and maturity. Psychology insight. A man's appearance influences perceived competence and social status, especially in the first 7 seconds. That's how quickly the brain forms attraction cues. Well-groomed hair, fresh breath, clean nails, and a subtle cologne. These are not luxuries. They're essentials. Pro tip: choose clothing that fits your lifestyle. Beauty elevates it slightly. Comfort matters, but so does the message you send with every detail. 5. Your personality and energy. Here's something rarely talked about. Women don't just fall for your looks. They're drawn to your aura, that energy you carry when you walk into a room. She feels it before you speak, Before you smile, are you grounded or anxious? Do you carry yourself with silent confidence? Or do you constantly seek validation? Women notice this immediately. They are especially drawn to men who embody kindness wrapped in mystery. Someone was respectful but has depth. Someone was not afraid to be kind and emotional psychology shows that unpredictable yet respectful behavior activates curiosity in the male brain. It's that sense of who-ish really that makes you unforgettable. Masculine energy isn't about domination, it's about being anchored, calm, certain, unapologetically yourself. 6. Your behavior towards others. Watch how a man treats a waiter, a janitor, a reverend, a child, and you'll know who Harali is. Women do this instinctively, that it's not just about how you treat her, it's how you treat people who can't offer you anything in return. Do you speak respectfully to the barista? Do you show patience when someone makes a mistake? Your behavior toward others reveals your empathy, emotional control, and most importantly, your character. And that's the kind of information women file away without saying a word. According to social psychology, kindness displayed in low-stakes situations builds a bond's trust and signals emotional safety, a key foundation of attraction. So be kind, not to impress her but because it's who you are. That's what truly stands out. 7. The tone of your voice. Here's a detail that Sufan overlooked. Your voice. Not just what you say, but how you say it. Tone matters a lot. If you speak too softly, it may signal uncertainty or insecurity. Too loud, and it can feel overbearing or attacking. But a balanced, confident tone, that's magnetic. Your voix is your sonic signature. It tells a woman whether you're grounded, insecure, calm, aggressive, or emotionally stable, all within seconds. Think about it. A deep, calm tone conveys power and poise. A rushed, high-pitched tone conveys anxiety and tip. Slow down, breathe, speak with intention. Let your tone reflect clarity and calm, and you'll instantly become more attractive. 8. Your attention to her. Want to stand out from 95% of men. Make her feel like the only woman in the room. That doesn't mean love bombing or flattery. It means being present. Fully, genuinely, unshakably present. When you make eye contact, lean in slightly and listen with real curiosity. You show her something rare, that you're not distracted, that you're not just waiting to speak, but actually seeing her. And here's the psychological gold. When a woman feels seen and heard, she feels valued, and when she feels valued, she forms an emotional bond. Studies in neuropsychology show that deep attention triggers oxytocin, the bonding hormone, creating a stronger emotional connection event in early conversations. So, turn your phone off, be in the moment, and make her feel undeniably important. That is irresistible. So, your body language. Let's get real for a second. Your body speaks louder than your words. Women notice how you carry yourself the moment you walk into a room. Is your posture confident and open, or do you slouch, shrinking away from attention? Body language is the unspoken truth, the silent cue that tells women whether you're comfortable in your skin or still figuring it out. Confident body language doesn't mean posing or pretending. It means standing tall, shoulders relaxed, and chest open. It means holding eye contact, and maintaining a posture that says, I am here, I own this space. Psychology insight. Open, expansive body language triggers a psychological response that indicates dominance and self-assurance. This makes you feel more approachable, respected, and naturally attractive. Remember, women read these signals. They can tell whether you're confident or insecure, and a man with a grounded, confident presence, that's pure attraction. Pro tip: when you're standing or sitting, try this simple adjustment. Keep your shoulders back and your head level. It's a quick confidence boost and makes a lasting impression. 10. Your physical fitness and health. Okay, let's talk about physical fitness, but not in the way you think. You don't need to have a six-pack to be irresistible. Women are drawn to men who are active and healthy. Why? Because a man who prioritizes his health is demonstrating discipline, self-control, and a long-term vision. Physical fitness is a reflection of a man who values his booty, and by extension values himself. It shows that you're not just living in the, but preparing for the future, that you're active, capable, and strong enough to take on challenges, and that strength excites women. Social psychology research consistently finds that health-conscious behaviors like exercising, regularly or maintaining an active lifestyle correlates strongly with long-term attractiveness. Women perceive men who are physically fit as high-value partners for both procreation and partnership. Pro tip: you don't need to become a bodybuilder. Just find an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Whether it's running, weightlifting, yoga, or even hiking, it shows you're someone who values sustainability over temp. 11. Your scent. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked, but incredibly powerful: your scent. Smell is one of the most primal senses. Women notice your scent instantly, and believe 'em, it makes a huge impact. A fresh, clean scent signals personal hygiene and attention to detail. It says, I take care of myself. A pleasant cologne or a clean body. These are simple, yet unforgettable markers of attractiveness. And here's the kicker. Smell has a subconscious influence on attraction. Scents can trigger emotional memories, or even evoke feelings of comfort, safety, or excitement. Research in olfactory plus shows that women are attracted to certain pheromones, natural scents that signal biological compatibility. A carefully chosen fragrance can enhance this effect, making you more memorable and deeply attractive. Pro tip: don't overdo it. A little bit of cologne goes a long way. Choose a scent that complements your natural body chemistry and wear it confidently, just enough to leave a lingering impression. 12. Your hands. Now, let's get a little more personal. Women notice your hands, and no, it's not just about how they look, it's what they represent. Women are incredibly sensitive to and when they look at your hands, they're observing more than just grooming. Are your hands neat, well-manicured nails, soft skin, no roughages, or are they calloused with visible signs of hard work? Hands tell a story about you. Well-groomed hands show that you pay attention to detail and value cleanliness. Rough hands might indicate strength, hard work, or masculinity, which for some women can be incredibly attractive. But it's not just how your hands look, it's how you use it. Do you express yourself with open gestures when talking, making her feel included and valued, or do you fidget, close off, or act nervous? Psychological studies show that expressive hand gestures can enhance communication, making it more engaging and helping you connect on a deeper level. Pro tip: keep your hands clean and trimmed. And if you're unsure how to use them, let your movements reflect confidence. Use them as an extension of your grounded self, not as a crutch. And there you have it, the 12 things women instantly notice in men that make them irresistible. It's these small, often unnoticed details that can make all the difference. Your face, your smile, your style, and even your hands. All of these signals send powerful messages about who you are. Seth, next time you walk into a room, remember this: you don't have to try too hard to stand out. It's the natural you that women find magnetic. When you understand and embrace these deeper psychological triggers, if this video is valuable to you, like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into psychology, attraction, and influence. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, or tell me which of these 12 things do you already embody. Thank you for watching Dark Psychology, where we uncover the unseen forces that shape attraction, music,